Folks like you have been sharing Bitly links since I had a full head of hair. One of the secrets to our success is that every Bitly link helps get the Bitly brand name out there. But perhaps you'd rather get your name out there with links unique to your business. No problem. Let's take a look at how to claim your custom domain and create your own branded links. Here you are in Bitly, and of course you can shorten a link just like that. But all the links you share will look like this, bit.ly/something something something. So let's make it so that instead of bit.ly, you're using a custom domain that's unique to your business. Now this account has just been upgraded to a paid plan, which means that we get to pick out a custom domain for free. So let's throw some ideas in here and see what we can get. Naturally, you want it to be short, and you want people to recognize it as part of your brand. And of course, the domain needs to be available, but beyond that, the world is your oyster. All right, that'll work. Select it, confirm, and you're good to go. So one thing to keep in mind is the stakes here aren't as high as they'd be with a website domain. You might want multiple branded domains, or if you decide you don't like this one anymore, it's no big deal. You can pick up and add a new one for as little as 10 bucks. Okay, so as it says here, it can take up to 24 hours for the new domain to get activated and linked to your Bitly account. But usually it's much quicker. So let's reload, and there you go. The new branded domain is ready for use. Let's give it a whirl. Now, when you create a new link, you can plug in the same URL as before, and just like that, you've got a branded link. You can copy it, share it, track it, and customize it, just like with a regular Bitly link. Oh, and by the way, there's one neat trick you can only do with branded links, and that's change their destination. As long as you've customized the back half here, you can always update the target URL. Let's say you've already shared this link out on social media, but you goofed up and put in the wrong link. All you gotta do is update the link, and you're in the clear. All right, go ahead and give it a try. Get in touch with our sales team if you would like to know more about the advanced features, and check out our help center if you need any help.